Hi there, this is Mrs. Cariotti from Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. And what I am bringing to you today are some decodable sentences, okay? Now, in these sentences, we have words that are decodable, our consonant, vowel, consonant words that we break down into the letter sounds and then blend them together, and also some sight words. Now, sight words are those words that you're going to see a lot in your readings that you're completing at home and at school. Okay, so again, we're going to see sight words and we're going to see decodable consonant, vowel, consonant words, ones that we break down into our letter sounds to identify what it says. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use a highlighter. I'm going to use two different colored highlighters, and I'm going to highlight the sight words, and then I'm also going to highlight the decodable words, the CVC words, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use yellow to highlight the sight words, okay? Now, this is a sight word, and this is a sight word, okay? Those are our two sight words, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change my color, and now I'm going to use blue to highlight our CVC words, our consonant, vowel, consonant words, or words that we can decode. This is a decodable, and this is a decodable, okay? Now, to get started with reading this sentence, what I'm going to do is I'm going to underline each word as we go through the sentence, okay? I want you to practice reading these sentences along with me while this video is playing, okay? So I'm going to underline the first word. That is a sight word, and that says the, okay? So far we have the word the. Now this next word, that's a decodable word. We can break it down into our letter sounds. So it says p-at, p-at. What does that say? P-at says pot. Okay? So far we have the pot. This next word is a sight word. That says is. Okay? The pot is. And this last word in this sentence is also a decodable word. It says ed, ed, red. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's read this whole sentence. Let's put all those words that we just practiced together into one sentence. Are you ready? Here we go. The pot is red. Let's do that again. Are you ready? The pot is red. And guess what? We have a picture right here that matches our sentence. That is a red pot. The pot is red. Moving right along, let's go ahead and let's go to our next sentence. Okay, again, I'm going to switch my color back to yellow, and I'm going to highlight any of the sight words in yellow, and then any of our decodable words in blue. Okay, so guess what? The first three words in this sentence are all sight words. These are all words that we should be able to read and identify really quickly because they're really common words that we see a lot during our readings. Okay, now I'm going to switch my color back to blue. And this last word here, that is a decodable word, a word we can break down into our letter sounds. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, I want you to try reading these sentences along with me, okay? So here we have the word do. That's a sight word. You can't sound it out, okay? That's the word do. Next, we have another sight word, you. That's the sight word you. So far we have do, you. This next word is like. You're going to see that word a lot, so we need to remember it, okay? So, do you like, let's read this last word. Now, again, we're going to break it down into our letter sounds. So we hear b-ug-s, b-ug-s. Bugs. Look at that. That last word is the word bugs. Okay? Now let's go ahead and let's read this whole sentence together. Okay, here we go. Read it with me. Do you like bugs? Let's read that one more time. Are you ready? Here we go. Do you like bugs? And guess what? There's a picture that matches our sentence, or our question, I should say. Do you like bugs? There's a lot of bugs right there. That's going to be the last sentence that I'm going to work with you in this video. But I want you to go ahead and I want you to practice reading the rest of the sentences in this resource that I'm sharing with you. And I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.